Today we're gonna be reviewing men's hiking boots. Here's what's in the box. Here's the boots. Look at that quality. Bottom, the sole. Stitching is really nice. Nice laces. Toe box. Stitching goes crazy. And the sole. These are very well made boots. These are hiking boots. Right here. They're not super high, they're about mid. There's a insole, very cushiony. They said these are hiking boots. I wouldn't use them to go hike, but there are people that might. These are probably like going out boots. I really like them. The material is really nice, soft material. Has a handle to put them on, both of them. They're very stylish. I like the color. This hem is like great. They're very stylish, they're very light. Like I said, I don't know about hiking with this, but to go out to any event, this might look really nice to just hang out. Again, I don't hike, so I don't know, but just to go out, they look very modern, very stylish. So I definitely recommend these for the pricing. You can't ask for more. These are very good price boots. They're Chukka styles and they're waterproof. So if you go out and it starts raining, you don't have to worry about your socks getting wet because these are waterproof too. So I definitely recommend it if you're looking for some boots that are stylish, comfortable, waterproof, and look nice and light. These are it. Definitely recommend it. Thank you. Here's how the boots fit. They're very comfortable. They're stylish. Sole is not that thick. They're really comfortable. So with jeans, you can. So if you're looking for comfortable boots, there you have them. Thank you.